topic HTML style. So, the HTML style attribute is used to add styles to an element such as color, font, size, and more. Okay, so basically, we use this HTML style attribute. This property is a CSS property. Okay, so let us know more about this HTML style attribute. Setting the style of an HTML element can be done by the style attribute. The HTML style attribute has the following index. Tag name style equals to property ratio value. The property is a CSS property. The value is a CSS value. You will learn more about CSS later in this tutorial or in our next video. So now let us know more about background color. So this is one of the property of the CSS style. The CSS background color property defines the background color for an HTML element. Body style equals to background color powder blue. This works in real. I'll show you this later in the video. The text color. This is the CSS color property which defines the text color for an HTML element. For example, h1 style equals to color colon blue semicolon. This is a heading. So this also works with any of the tag name. So let's move on to our next topic, which is fonts. The CSS font family property defines a font to be used for an HTML element. For example, BANA, Courier. So uh, you can click the screenshot of this example because this is just the syntax which can be used for the font family property. So let us move to our next slide. So text size. The CSS font size property defines the text size for an HTML element. For example, h1 style font size equals to 300%. Um, this this font size can be given in percentages and pixels. So next is our text alignment. The CSS text align property defines the horizontal text alignment for an HTML element. For example, h1 style equals to text align colon center, centered heading. Then there is a paragraph. So this is used for the text alignment. So next we have the chapter summary. So the summary of our chapter which we have learned today. So let us know more about it. Chapter summary use the style attribute for styling HTML elements. Use background color for background color. Use color for text colors. Use font family for text fonts. Use font size for text sizes. Use text align for text alignment. So next I have a quick exercise for all of you. So can you see this code? Just take a screenshot of it. Okay. So let me read the code for you. Doc type HTML, HTML head. So HTML styles practice. So this is just a code for you. We'll just run it once more in our Visual Studio Code. Okay. So your task is that you have to change the colors, try red, purple and teal, experiment with font sizes, for example 12 pixels, 30 pixels, add different background, light blue, pink, or add background images. Try text align left, right, center. Add borders with different styles, solid, dashed, and dotted. So let us do these activities in our Visual Studio Code. So if you remember, we have started a file. If you can see here, we have created a folder and then we have created a file in it which was stm, which is the extension. So now today we are going to do some more things. So today we are going to add up. So today we are going to have a quick revision of which we have done in our tutorial. So let's get started. So so first what we have done is that background color. So can you see that background color? So this is the syntax for the background color. Body style equals to background color. So let us try this. You can also try this in your text editor. So let us try it. So I have added this code. You can just see. Let us have a just quick revision of it. Body, and the body we in the body tag we will write style. You can see contains CSS styling declarations to be applied to the element. Note that it is recommended for styles to be defined in a separate file or files. This attribute and the style element have mainly the purpose of allowing for quick styling, for example, for texting purposes. Okay, so let us get started. So just let us, if you can see, just we have to right click on here, and you can see this open this live server, the third line option. So just click on it, and then we'll just come here. See, can you see this powder blue color at the background? So this is the magic of this style element. We can also change the color. For example, we can do this color. I don't know what this color is this. So let us try this color. Just save it first. Now let us go here and see this. The background color is just changed. So let us uh, do our next. So let us go for our next property. So our next property is the text color property. So this is the text color property. So we'll try it in our H1 style. Okay. So let us start try it. So let us add this code, which is H1 style equals to color, like this. This is the code. So just let us save it and let us go to our Chrome. Okay, so this is the heading. This is a heading. It is not working. Let me check it. Okay, okay. Just see what we have done. So the error is fixed. So can you see the statement? Just save it and go to our browser and you can see this heading. We can also change their color. Do you know we can add some more colors like ice blue. Let us try ice blue or aqua. So let us try the aqua color. So just save it. So I have added the aqua color. So let us check it. Just control save, and now let us go here and just refresh it, and you can see that the color is changed. We can try any other color too. Just we have to click here or anywhere else if you want some other color. So I have just clicked here. So just control save and go here, and you can see that it is just the color is changed into a yellowish color or into a yellowish shade. So let us go and watch which one is our next property. So our next text property is font, the font family. So let us try it too. So I have added a similar one here. So I have added one more text property here, which is the font family text property, which specifies a prioritized list of font family names. So let us try it. Just save it and go to your live server. Now if you can see it, this is a paragraph, this is showing in this courier, okay, or we can use the typewriter too. There are so many just options, like if I use typewriter, I don't know that it works. Let us try typewriter. Let us save it and go here. Okay, so it works like this. The typewriter one is just same as like that. See, courier franken gothic. Let us try this franken gothic. So just control save it. Now let's come here and you can see this change here over here. So now let us check our next property. So our next text property is the text size. We can change the text size or the font size. Okay, so let us try it too. So see, I have added this one too. So it has a simple font. You can also click a screenshot of it and you can also create a program like that. So let us just check it, just save it and go to your Chrome browser or the place where you have created it, and just you can see this. The paragraph size is just like this and it has increased the font size. So let us move towards our next property. So guys, our next text property is text alignment. The CSS text align property defines the horizontal text alignment for an HTML element. So let us try it, but with the P. Okay, the paragraph text. So let's get started. So we have added it also text align colon center. You have to also take care of this colon and inverted commas. It can also create a mistake. So let's get started and let's try it. So just control save it and go here, and you can see that it has aligned the paragraph here or the text here. So we can also add one more text property here. Let us try to add it too. Just control C and paste it here. Okay, I think there is some issue. There's some issue. Okay. So let's try. See, uh, the font size is also increased and the text align is also in the center, or we can choose any left, right, and center, justify, match parent. There are too many options. So let us move to our next text property. So now we have ended with our session, and you can just take a screenshot of it and tell me the output after it, or click a screenshot and paste it in the comment box. So your tasks are this, just click a screenshot of it too. So thank you and have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye. and don't forget to subscribe my channel.